Yeah.
Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah! Hey, 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 hey!
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey, 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 hey!
Hey, 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 hey.
Hey!
Hey,
Hey!
hey,
Hey!
hey,
Hey! Hey!
again.
Wait a sec!
Welcome. Everybody, where are you hiding?
I'm not hiding anywhere.
Come on, are you coming upstairs?
No.
Come on.
No,
yeah,
no.
you can come on.
Why you
Go. Okay.
You're here.
Teddy bear, you're not lonely here. And there are some drawers to put some clothes in if you want to use those for anything. And you can close the curtains at night so it'll be nice and dark. Okay? So you like to sleep in here, don't you?
I sleep with Ruby.
But not today. Shall we go and look at your room?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Come on.
After you. Yeah. Have you seen the bags now at Lidl for the bread? Feel different? Put it in your garden waste and it will break down. The
Rock
bags,
down, yeah.
not plastic. Probably potato starch. Yeah, you can feel it and it looks different to the. Can you remember the other bags?
Can you?
You can. Yeah. You can. No. Maybe tomorrow when it's Eurovision,
Yeah.
because we can sit and relax.
No.
Everybody. Because you had a long day, you had a Greg's sausage roll.
Yes, sausages. Itadakimasu.
What's with you? What was that funny face for? You can eat anything, spoon or fork, doesn't matter. I will use a spoon.
I did that.
Ah, salt.
I know it's
Pepper if
good.
anyone wants it.
Thank
Butter.
you. Right. Bits
Oh, I'm not having butter on mine, but you can have butter on yours if you want.
I'm getting it.
Okay.
Because I need it.
Enjoy.
Enjoy, yeah.
I'm gonna have some pepper on mine.
Anything. You might want this or this, doesn't matter. Better than a sausage roll for dinner. No, it's very tender, very cooked a very long time.
Nice, yeah? Welcome to England.
Finally.
You know, you're a fun guy.
Anyway, big fish, little fish, cardboard box.
Big fish, little fish, cardboard.
Mashed potato.
Magic ball.
Yeah, magic ball.
Let's do cream.
Feed the chickens.
Cream?
Taru, you can dance like this. Taru, it's easy. Shall we tell you? Shall we teach Daddy?
Yeah, Daddy.
Taru, easy.
Fun guy.
Come on, Taru. Learn. Big fish. Big fish, little fish.
Little fish,
Cardboard
cardboard.
box. Big fish,
Big fish,
cardboard
little
box.
fish,
Big fish,
cardboard
little
box.
fish. Come on. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box. Big fish, little fish, cardboard box.
Big
Let me call you. Big
Big, little
fish,
fish, cardboard
cardboard
box.
box.
Big fish, little fish, cardboard box. Faster. Whoa.
Oh, these are all presents.
No.
She's carried them all.
No. Not all gifts in there.
Yes, she has got
No.
them. They're all gifts.
Maybe.
何がどこにあるかも覚えられてない
Oh.
Okay, thank
Do you
you.
like Sunday?
Yeah,
Yes.
we have some, haven't we?
Yes, we did. Yes.
Yeah, fantastic.
For
Thank you so much. I can't believe you came on this.
you. Woo. Ah, I know what this is.
What is it?
I know what this is. I see a yellow button. I know what this is. Oh. Cute little face. Oh, Minnie, look.
You'll have to go in the middle.
Yeah, definitely. Tomorrow. Too dark now. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Too beautiful. beautiful to open everything. Just so beautiful all packaging. Ah, look.
I've got this one.
And I got this one.
Look at mine.
What did you get?
And do you know what? I love purple. Beautiful.
It's to use for dinner. It's a napkin.
So kind. Such kindness. Oh. Feel so
Daddy's-
overwhelmed.
Daddy's saying that Etsko should kick you in with the knee.
He is such a bad man. He is a bad man.
Violent
Tomorrow we go out. We leave Taru at home.
I've got to tell me put it there.
Ruby, no. Lay down, lay down.
Please send to information to
ティッシュって持っていかないとね。
that island.
Yes. Yeah, I said
That island.
かわいい。かわいい。
from that island that you sent me the link, and I said to Ben, that one. Yeah.
Yeah, it was good, good, good
あ
for
ー、お手紙も書いてくれてんじゃん。なんて
I don't eat curry noodles, but when
Why?
Taru came before,
頑張っている。すごい
I
ね
ate。that, yeah.
あかりもみほんちゃんみたいに
Yeah, leaf curry, yeah.
ワイフだって
Yeah, very helpful, wasn't it?
You remember when you got you tried to get,
あかり
you tried to eat. Well, Bernie, tomorrow's job.
Ah, okay.
Let's do that tomorrow.
Rubbish.
Can't believe you forgot that, Taru. Oh, oh,
Tomorrow.
yeah, yeah,
Eat.
yeah, yeah.
Together, eat.
Yeah. Pot.
Eat.
Few more, aren't there?
Okay, I'll head down to that entrance then.
Taru, do you want biogas on your nose? I'm sure she can draw a biogas. Like that? That's got it. It's got photos. Beautiful.
Oh yeah, nice.
Oh, where's she gone? The child. She's in
The child.
Loving the place, that's great. Loving the place. We just moved back slightly for you as well. So we're going to put you standing on the square, that's it. And then we put you to one side so we can then see the maps as they are behind you. Now, unlike a mirror, you're seeing yourself as we've seen you. So you're using this arm to point at the maps. That's it. Well done. That's that side, which is really strange, isn't it? Because you think it's that one, but it's not.
This afternoon there'll be some cloud and sunny spells.
Use your arms.
Temperatures will reach 24.
That's the durator.
Very cold. Tonight, any cloud that is developed will be hooked away. All the parts of the region will be dry and clear. The overnight low will be around 10. The outlook is visible. Very hot and sunny.
Well done, thanks, man. That's brilliant. That's great.
Just marshmallows. marshmallows or cream and marshmallows?
Cream and marshmallows, please.
Does anyone want any of this?
Yes.
Yep.
That's what?
Anything that chocolate brownie, please.
Yeah, one chocolate brownie, please.
I don't want to drink that. I don't want to drink that.
Don't drink it.
Very hot.
Very.
Guinea pigs, mice, rabbits, the pony. Something else.
Would you reckon make your bill?
Here at the Knot Show, winning champion Hereford around about 10 or so years ago. The blue and the grey. He's also been here exhibiting his Shire horses in the past, so knows this show well.
And then we're looking for a foothold for your right foot now. This one.
And as our riders get on and off, this is where you are
A foothold on the side there for this foot. If you
I know, nice face painting. Whoa, look at that. Is that big and heavy? Ooh. Yes, get in.
Spin around there.
Wow, look at that.
You ready?
You ready to fly?
Pilot Mini-Me.
Wow, is it heavy, Mini-Me? Yeah.
Surprised you can hear what we said.
Could you wear that all day? Now the next question.
Pick something and stick it in. You choose. Right, let me. You're going to help. Oh. Code on there, there's like 6 or 7.
Yeah.
Doing
Cool.
There's one there as well.
This is it.
Potato and chickpea. Ooh.
Tomato sauce, that means vegan as well.
Penguin pie. How many penguins go in there? Oh, Coco.
Yeah, please.
There you go, the mic.
That's why I put them in.
Barbecue.
Oh, shit. Thank you.
That always won't be too long.
Okay.
I love it.
Okay, they are trained to look at these for teeth.
Wow.
Do you think of it? Hey? You're supposed to be trained. Okay? You're on minimum wage. What more do you want? So, if I put him down the tunnel, he'll go down here. There you go, boom. And his job is in the wild, he's a rat and mouse killer. And that's what he does. He just goes down tunnel.
Oh, Bruno's coming.
So the ferry's off. He's going to go 4 times to you 2. Come on, that's it. And turn your no, turn right. This one. That's it. Under there. Go on, keep going. That's a good boy. Keep going. How many? Come on, boys and girls. Let's get out there. Or should I say more rabbits? Come on, rabbits. See if you can all survive. I know a song. I will survive. I won't sing it. I promise you. So that's the gem. That's the gem.
Go, my darling.
I'm going to try it.
You can try whichever one you want, sweetheart. Rum and raisins. She's gone straight for the rum and that's my girl. That's my girl.
We all like that.
Yeah. So I've had a volunteer with me for 10 years, so she should know the woodland. But I'll send it to a box, they won't see her for 20 minutes, and it's so funny.
Wow.
You know she's lost.
What I have been tea.
I'm happy now, look, got coffee. Right, we'll walk back now, I've got a coffee.
Okay, we'll go and find somewhere to sit near the gravy.
Yeah.
Which one do you want?
All of them.
Wait, actually, which one do you want? Rocky?
Yeah, ladies first.
Dada? Or
Half off.
I don't know about that.
Oh, there's some sides here as well. Maybe there's some garlic pizza bread there.
Wow.
Which I really like. And there's some dough balls there which have pepperoni in them. So
Whoa.
enjoy it.
I like I'll start with a little. Oh, you took it out.
We just did that. Where were you?
Did we?
Not for me. That was lunch tomorrow.